Acotec Sindrenbahat, a member of the OSK Group. In line with Acotec's vision to create a greener and more sustainable construction methodology, the Acobuilt, a sole proprietary building system that has been specifically designed for the construction of single-story houses. With the Acobuilt system, conventional RC columns are not required, lesser formwork and in-situ concrete casting. Hence, manpower is greatly reduced and productivity is significantly increased with flush-speed Acotec installation. 4 installers are able to complete installing Acotec walls for a single-story house in 2 days. The process begins with ground preparation at the site. Strip footings must first be laid to provide sufficient foundation for the Acotec wall panels. This is followed by laying a damp-proof membrane, which is spread across the foundation to prevent moisture transmission. Working in batches, the concrete mix is then drained onto the membrane and VRC to form the reinforced concrete slab. Starter bars that are required at certain areas can either be casted together with the slab or be planted manually during the installation of the Acotec panels. Before installing the Acotec wall panels, markings should first be made on the floor slab. Next, steel starter bars are installed manually at specified intervals on the RC slab if necessary. The Acotec panels can then be unloaded directly onto the marked slab to reduce double handling. For bonding at the joints, AcoFix panel adhesive is recommended. AcoFix is a pre-mixed dry-set mortar specially formulated for enhanced adhesion with tensile and flexural strengths. AcoFix should be mixed with clean water to the recommended ratio for best results. The use of a mechanical mixer will ensure the paste is both homogeneous and properly mixed. Clear the area of any debris or tripping hazards before proceeding to erect the panel. Position the panel as close to the marked line as possible. For the Acobuilt system, always start the panel installation at a T-joint or L-joint to ensure better stability when the panels are installed. Once the Acotec panel is transported to the installation area, AcoFix should be applied to the floor slab before placing the panel. The AcoFix will ensure a strong bonding between the Acotec panels and the RC slab. Erect the panel in a smooth and uninterrupted manner. While the erected panel is held in place, adjustments should be made to align it to the marked lines. The erected panels must be temporarily secured in position with wooden wedges, while the verticality of the panels must be checked and any adjustments immediately made. Excess amounts of AcoFix are then squeezed out of the joints between the Acotec panels. This is to ensure the joints are fully filled. Similar to the first panel, AcoFix is applied on the side of the adjacent panel and on the floor slab before the subsequent panel is erected. In the meantime, preparation for the next panel can proceed with the tongue and groove interlocking design of Acotec panels. A good example is the use of Acotec panels as door lintels. Simply cut out recesses of the adjacent panel for the Acobuilt door lintel to rest on. It is simple and neat. Once the Acotec door lintels are secured in place, patch up the joints with AcoFix. Embedment of mechanical and electrical services can be easily done by creating the chassis part with a concrete cutter. By using the hollow cores of the Acotec wall panels, less cutting and patchback is required. After the M and E works are completed, steel stiffener bars must then be inserted into specific hollow cores and then infilled with cement mortar to create proper support to withstand the load from the ceiling and roof truss. Lastly, a capping beam is cast on top of the erected panels with minimal formwork and reinforcement linkage to form a solid and stable wall. Fiber netting is recommended to lay at the joints. Conventional masonry work is labor-intensive, uses extra raw material, and requires a thick finishing render. On the other hand, installing the Acotec panels have proven to be 6 times faster than conventional masonry work. It involves less wastage, cleaner site conditions, and reduced requirements for finishing renders. Upon complete installation of the panels, a skim coat can be applied as the finishing for the wall panels. Acotec panels are also suitable for receiving direct tiling on the panel surface. It is the perfect fit for a sustainable building methodology. Acotec, creating the ideal future. Start today. Start with Acotec.